come, what caused you to come to this? Who introduced you to this? Eh? Who introduced you? It is after night. Oh, that's a baby. That is a two. Alright, and my ever blessed travelers, welcome to another video. And today we are back at Back Road, as you was requested that you want to see a night vlog. Ever blessed is gonna be showing you a little of the night scenery. Stay tuned for that. And my people, here I am. Your request. Black Diamond is back.
Black Diamond.
Yes. Black Diamond.
Yeah.
I am here today. I don't know if you know exactly why we are here, but the reason why I am here, that I called you back, is because I was called by Dr. Love at Portmore Harbour Beach. He said that we should make our present felt today. I have no idea why he want to see us, but I don't
have any idea either, but let's see what
we are going to be back to see what Dr. Love has to offer, and I will be visiting a couple of the persons that I visited in the first video. And I am also going to be delaying till in the later set part of the night to show you some of the. Stay tuned and watch what go on. My traveling family, we are back at Back Road, aka. Whoa! What is going on here? What the hell? Come here! Come here! Why would this stop? What happened? Why we have so much this time? Why we have so much seaweed?
Because it's the time for it now.
Because there's a lot of wind?
Yeah, maybe our climate change and stuff, but this seaweed, it is good for gardening. And most persons come to it and them say it's good for cancer and all them something there.
It's good for gardening?
Yeah.
Like for putting on your plants? What them say to it?
It break down in some form of fertilizer, it break down.
Oh, we are so we can get a bag and take us something.
Yeah man, persons all about come get it for them garden.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
it's good. It break down, they said it's a form of fertilizer.
Very windy today though, Shelly.
It is very windy. I love the wind out here.
So Shelly,
Yes.
I featured you on my channel before. How is business since?
You know, I get a lot of calls from overseas, and I thank all of my customers for watching your channel, and just subscribe and like the channel because he's doing a great, excellent job.
Oh, you mean,
Love
Shelly?
yourself.
Yes. Appreciate you for your time. And
okay, anytime.
yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I want to try to get some of these. Oh, at the general, the pack up there.
So we have some lionfish here. These fish are called the lionfish. They are very nice to fry, to steam, to grill. Anyway, I don't want it. You can
I first never get so close to
man, it's lion. See there? Persons, when they eat it, they always recommend it back. So it's really good. And we have some other fish here. These are runfish.
Yeah.
Runfish for steaming, roasting, any way you like. You understand? And we have these fish also that are called hot snappers. Persons normally like this one because they say they're refined. They are refined and very nice. The quality is very good.
Yes.
So you understand?
Yes.
Yeah man, these are groundfish, hot snappers, carrots.
Yes.
Yeah man.
So
We have a variety of fish here.
And you can't over.
So you just pick, choose, and refill.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah. From the ocean to your plate, straight to your plate.
Yeah, man.
Here you go.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So tell somebody again exactly how they can get here.
Alright, here at Port Henderson Road. If you're coming from the town as a reach, Jolly's side, we are next door to Jolly's. From the side, reach, straight away, we are here.
Right.
Quality we sell, no quantity, quality.
That is it.
Yeah, big up to my nice clean customer. They must keep on supporting us for years. We appreciate you guys and we thank you guys.
Yes.
Just like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.
Big up yourself, Shelly.
Big up.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So we're going to some people. Yeah, you said king crab and blue crab?
Yes. We sell king crab, blue crab, we sell shrimp, we sell lobster, we sell crayfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So if you're doing seafood, boy, just come on down. We have everything.
That is it. Yeah, man. Port Henderson are going out with himself. Some of people were at the Portmore Harbour Beach, and we are with Black Diamond. And this is hamper parking, nice parking area. So when you have all the events to keep, yeah, man, you have nice parking. You have a fritter, you don't have to worry. If you can't find yourself inside of the beach, music is playing on the inside. Just hoping that we can fight our way out. And Dr. Love say, reach out. So Black Diamond, I wonder where my call with her.
Yeah, what up, man?
Well, we have showcased his place on our channel, and Black Diamond.
Yeah.
I wonder, did you watch the video? I see exactly. Our video is gone viral, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
The people them love the vibe.
Yes.
I'm glad all the people them are interact and
Yes. Yes.
so the more video and
Yes. Yeah, man. So I'm feeling excited, you know, and not only just feeling excited to have you back with me again.
right?
Yeah, man. You make it happen. I wonder if you make it happen. Yeah, man. Clear me up there, man. All right. And we are showcase, the ends. Yeah, man.
Right.
And we are going
my camera.
and we are going to showcase June 14 again, Black Diamond. Yeah, man, June 14 again. Some people, first time I do it fast, now I'm going to do it slow for now. So you can take a good look. I want whole heap of artists up on the man. Yeah, man. See great sizzler when I back on this, sir.
This one different.
This one different? No, man, I see him, man. Oh, that is different from the bottom one.
Yeah.
Okay, one is June 28th.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to feature both of them. All right. That June 48th. June 28th.
Yeah.
So June 28th, I want sizzler and the rest of them. All right. That's everything up, them people. We're going on the inside. Dr. Love, so we must make a grand entry. I wonder what that means. Wait, man. Inside, full of the people. So everyone inside here is having a vibe. Yeah, man. Yes, fancy away. Well, Harbour Beach, guys. Portmore Harbour Beach. Yeah, man. But today's not the best day for to be at the beach.
Well,
Not an excellent day to be at the beach.
not an excellent day to swim at car.
The wind is too high and the water is not that clear.
Not that good.
But this, somehow some seaweed is on this side and it on the other side now.
Alright, sometimes it depends on where the current is going. Okay?
Oh.
So if you have the current are going to direction, the more it's going to turn around.
Okay. You don't know much about the ocean still. So you're an ocean girl. Alright. There you have it, my people from Black Diamond. Black Diamond know much about the beach than I do. Nice. Eh?
Yeah, we look so far.
Okay. Whoa, it breeze now. Oh. Never the solid is water to international water. Because if we don't do something, you know we are. Hi. What are you guys doing today? My youth should go by there and have about this. You want to say hi to her? You want to say hi? All right. So we are down by at the finish gun. That's what I want to do. All right, that's a big dog. Hi, mother. How you doing today? My usual like over there, have a bit of you finding the beach stuff on.
Okay.
Yeah, camera?
No, I'm.
You illegal guys? Jump on the player?
Yeah.
Alright. So we have 1, 4, 5. You got to come on. Alright. Come on, have some. Yeah, check it out. Check out the channel, please. Subscribe and share. I know we'll do this already. Alright. Some people walking, see? And I'll one. That's I think. Yeah. You have to ready for the rejection too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, good lady. Today we are with? Today we are with, didn't it? Yeah. You got our family. I remember this. I just said, but the highest, the silicone that you're talking about is kind of different from the one that we use. I thought you were going to shave it with the thing like that. Yeah, mother in time, alright? Especially the mother in one because I've never seen this one. Yes?
Since he lost his face proper.
Yes.
Trying to win the ride now, why not?
Yeah, very. Yes. How much one? And how much for the okay. Come on, sunshine, silicone.
Yeah, I think that's it. I thought we're going to us.
Yes, yeah. Come on, people. This is the new version.
Yeah, the full version.
I will buy a snow cone and that diamond is gonna have a snow cone. You used to eat snow cone when you used to go school as a little girl? Eh? Okay, alright. In that same time, they used to use the shaving to shave it. Are you not for your time too? Yeah, young people, girl. I don't know what them things there. Yeah. So, my brother, today you're serving Ever Blessed Travels.
Pardon me?
You're serving Ever Blessed Travels. Ever Blessed Travels. Don't forget travel. Because we're traveling. Yeah.
So, I'm going to top part.
Yeah.
Top part. Yeah.
That time I kind of had snowfall. And you only built one.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, $1 is a line.
Yes, yeah. That's right. Yeah. So we are just away from here.
Pardon me?
Where else we can find it? Can't find it.
Oh, if you find that news.
No man, not away than me. Selling this it.
Well, this is our spot.
A year spot.
Oh, we.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
The ice.
Eh?
The ice.
Yes, yes. Listen, you're sleeping is that you music and they used to shave it and put it away and away. Turn on, let's go. It tastes good. No, let us tell you something about people this kind of strange. So, them like it, but like the life is, who buy what?
Sometimes we use 2 different colors.
Like now,
Was from morning.
Yeah.
Kind of run off the color house.
Okay. Yes? What? Okay. Yeah.
yeah, but that's
So we're flying on you want to
Ever Blessed Travels.
about that stuff. So I'm grabbing about 41 hours.
Yeah. You are coming?
Yeah.
Alright. So on the wall, when you check out Ever Blessed Travels, you don't get surprised because I've been here before. A couple weeks ago,
They're practicing on quick down.
might be. But there's a reason why I'm back.
You know, spot.
Okay. If the spot was great, I'm paying for requesting it to be back.
So windy today.
Very windy.
Very windy.
Yeah. Yeah, because of the wind. All those stems have to come down back because they were blowing down. So we're having popcorn. So we're having popcorn, my people. We're having popcorn. Right there, my people, you can see a ship going into the port. That one looks like it's a container ship. Yeah, man. So that's the one beauty that this place have got. But good. Hi, can I show you on the camera today? Yeah. So like you can how can I rub it out? So Black Diamond, well, tell me a little bit more about your karaoke where your settings where you pray.
So it's actually on the ends on Elsha Beach. Each and every Friday, I'm actually thinking about starting up a karaoke on the beach. Maybe don't know right beside Black and Denny's, but yeah, and it's known Black Diamond End each and every Friday on the beach. As me say, me just start up a little something to where it gets. And I want to get it out there. I want the people that support. Because you can come out, you don't have to be a singer to sing a song. You just want to have a good vibe and just prepare to have fun.
Alright, I'll do this one. I never bless, I go blast on down. One of the weekend, you go see me. Just a pop up here in a Black Diamond. Alright, I'll show you how we party.
Yeah.
That is it, Black Diamond. See it? Some people give Black Diamond your full support. Check out as long as you go on the Hellshire Beach, give her your full support, right, my people? Alright. So when you enter from Hellshire, you just keep to the left.
Yes, stay to the left.
And you easily find the yourself.
Easily find.
Alright, that is it. That is it. First time I had the oh, you just came. Okay. Everybody never will establish. And when I see the people, they get paid. Yeah, one of them. It's check up the camera. Check my computer. I have seen it is wrong. So yeah, so I'm just trying to. I should go. I'll review it. I will talk to you later on. You can just keep up as to how you sit on the ship. Alright, that's all I'm here, alright? Enjoy yourself. Alright. So where you from? Where you from? Which part you from?
Clarendon.
Oh, you're from Clarendon. So you travel all the way to Clarendon to here? Nice. Who introduced you to this beach?
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Okay. It's fine. The store that will get something the wet is very sorry. So that the sun is coming into your face. Alright. I'll talk to you later. Alright. I remember to go on the channel, yeah? Whoa. Hi, you wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Oh. You wanna say hi? Have a blessed travels. You want to pick up somebody, pick up the socials? What's that one? You want Instagram? What?
TikTok.
Yeah, pick up the
My name is Redeemer on TikTok.
Luther Redeemer?
Yeah.
We definitely will say about you. Listen, remember to check out the blessed channel, right? Oh, let me give you know. You won't miss this time. Alright, cook for yourself tomorrow. Alright, go. See you. Whoa! Have a blessed travel, not just for us.
Listen, shut up the clock. Lie on the table. So right here, my people, this is a original burn fire. So he's now preparing. So by 6 o'clock, fire will be burning. And then my people will be showcasing this fire. Stay tuned for that. No joke. Come, what cars if you come to this? Who introduced it to this? Eh? Who introduced it? The native though. The one of the black. But she don't know me. Okay, alright. May I watch out, when I enjoy myself. I go. So you don't know me? Oh gosh. Alright, so remember to check out my channel, yeah. I want to shoot. I told you when we have to do it, you know. You think me a delay? You have it, sir. We can't share one for you, because everybody can get to one, right? Are you Bali or something? Are you Bali? I didn't know that before. Yeah, man. I saw you think on that, man. So big up yourself, little bit. So you know, so you're going to be a popular guy, you know. You're popular, you know. I saw you think on that, maybe. Just here, my people, to give you a a heads up the direction as to on the outside of Portmore Harbour Beach. This is how the outside look. And patiently, yeah man, the bless is asking a few more people to, you have watched the video this far. I'm gonna be asking a few more people to subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, really would appreciate. Yeah man. More people today we are with. Oh, chef what? Yeah, chef of yourself.
Bad chef.
Oh, yeah, bad chef who?
13.
Bad chef 13. Ratting. So you about to do all steam fish and another place.
You know what I mean? One, said one.
Alright. Some people. So when you come to Portmore Harbour Beach, people.
Yeah, this is the place.
I demand you have a magic.
Right here, chest time, lobster, fish, just fried chicken. Yeah, shrimp.
Yeah.
We have a lot.
Yes.
Right there, chef. And the beach. Right now, Portmore and the whole Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, the vibes here is unbelievable.
Yes.
Yeah. Love, all love.
Yes. For my people in the night, I am going to be traversing Port Henderson Road. I'm going to give you this night vlog. I'm just going to encourage my people to stay tuned. And whatever I ever bless you seeing in the camera, yeah. So that is just what you showcase here. The ladies of the night, watching driving, have made the request. Just hoping that I satisfy your need. Here is one. Cool out, that's all. One is a baby. This is two. Alright, and the one is a baby again. So that means the hustlers are out. But ever bless is not interesting. I'm just showing you guys what I'm seeing and what they are saying. There's another one. So here is very popular, my people. Alright, I'm just gonna take a look for yourself, my people. Here we go. Adventures in the tropics. Big up yourself, brother. Fall Wildlife. Wildlife Family TV. Big up yourself, same. I take on the street. By street I take on. While you take on the hunting, never bless take on the. So there's another one there. Of this year Port Henderson Road is really nice. Majority of these buildings here, they are hotels, restaurants, bars, specialized in seafood. Check out this end, my people. Check out this here. As you hear the bartender in previous video said that you can get everything about it.
thank you so much, my people, for your continued support. I'm gonna be asking a few more people to check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I'm gonna be asking a few more people to continue to support Everblessed Travels, as Everblessed continue to showcase to you beautiful things, people, hidden gems, and places. Everblessed is saying so long. And I, Everblessed Travelers, will see you in the next video.